Hi everyone, this is Navmi from Vedas Cure, and in today's video I'm going to share some really amazing ways to boost your immunity. Number 1, find ways to alleviate stress. Yes, stress is one of the major causes for low immunity. So do things that relieves your stress and increase your immunity. Number 2, sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Yes, taking sufficient rest every day is very important for your good health. Number 3, exercise. Exercising for about 45 minutes every day or at least 5 days a week can also help to increase your immunity. Number 4, last but not the least, eat a healthy diet. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, beans, whole grain, yogurt, etc. to maintain a good immunity. And if you want, you can also try Vedas Cure Ashwagandha tablets in your daily routine to increase your immunity and keep yourself away from health issues. So to order these tablets, you can call us on the given number and you can visit our website www.vedascure.in.